In Home Designer Pro, your layouts will work differently than in Premiere and Interiors. So I'm here in my project plan, and if I go here to File and to New Layout, I don't get the choices to open different templates like I do in Premiere. So we just go with the basic template. In here, we only have one page. So we don't have a page 0 to make adjustments. So everything here is to set up your title block, you do all within this one page. So then you can save this and use it again as a blank layout. You would need to save it as a layout and then open it each time. But you can't save it as a template to open automatically. So you would go in and make any adjustments here to your title block the same way you would in Premiere or Interiors. And then to send your plan over, you need to, you don't have your layer sets like you do in the other two programs. So you have to turn on and off the layers that you want to use each time you send it over. So I would need to open up my, my layer sets here and turn off the layers and turn on whatever layers I need. So I would need to go through, if I'm doing my electrical plan or my furniture plan, whatever it is, and turn off and on the layers that you need. And then when you have all the layers turned off and on that you want to use for your particular view, then you can send it over. So then we would click the Send to Layout button here, just the same. We don't have as many options, but you do need to pay attention to your scale because you cannot change this once you send it over. You would have to delete it and then send it again. So depending on the scale you want. So let me just send that as a 1/4 inch. And so it sends this, but I cannot rescale it once it's here. I can crop it, but I can't rescale it or resize it. So if I wanted that at a different scale, I would need to delete that and resend it over. You can go over to File and Print and your drawing sheet set up. And so you can change the page size here if you want to set up a different page size for yourself and adjust your title block accordingly. So you can still have that option. And again, you would just need to save this as a project, basically save it, go in and save. And then that would, then you could just open this up again. You would delete your project, delete that out, then save it, and then you could open this up each time once you get your title block set up. So that's what you would have to do, that for each page that you want to do. So get your layer set up, send it over to your layout, print that page, save that page and call it your page number, and print that out, and then delete that out and then send over, redo your layers and then send that over. So that is how you would set up your layout pages in Home Designer Pro.